It's cheer time! Hi guys, welcome back to It's Cheer Time. Since most of you loved the last tutorial, I decided to make more. In this tutorial I will be showing you on how to make this design. Pretty nice, right? Anyway, let's start. First, you click on loops. Then get the small loop. Set the text as 33. Now, click on brushes. Now get the second block, which is a random color block. Now, click on actions. Now click on the second block called turn right. And set the text as 165. Now, go to functions. And get the fourth block called draw a shape. Now go to math. And get the first block. Go to math again and get the same block. Now, set the first text as 9. And second text as 68. And we are done. Wow, look how great this looks. Let's run it. Ooh, so satisfying. Anyway, I hope you try to draw this design too. And if you understood this tutorial, then make sure to subscribe and like to It's Cheer Time. Bye!